roommate spent 2 hours blow-drying a dead bunny because she thought her dog ended its life. She saw her German Shepherd in the yard looking way too proud. He had the neighbor's pet rabbit in his mouth, stiff, dirty, and very much gone. Panicked that her dog had deleted the neighbor's favorite pet, she went into full cleanup mode. She snatched the rabbit, took it to the shower, and gave it a deep scrub. She spent 40 minutes blow-drying the fur until it was fluffy and soft. Then she snuck over the fence and tucked the sleeping bunny back into its cage. A few hours later, a scream ripped through the neighborhood. It wasn't a sad scream, it was a terrified scream. Turns out, the bunny hadn't been unalived by the dog. It actually passed away of old age 3 days ago. The neighbors had a full funeral and buried it deep in the garden. The dog wasn't a taker of life. He was just a grave robber who dug it up to play.